Although the world around you may appear to be in total chaos, take a moment to just be. Be present and find your place of peace. For me, sometimes that's just driving out, finding a quiet place to park, and gazing up into the sky, laying in the grass, watching the clouds roll by, or just simply feeling the sun on my face. Whether you're going for a nice stroll, stargazing in the evening, or just watching the clouds, find your center, find your place of peace. Take a moment, close your eyes, listen to the birds, listen to the sound of nature, watch the clouds, and you'll always receive a sign that everything is going to be all right.